Hey there! Looking for some healthy vegan and gluten-free snacks? You've come to the right place. Today, I'm sharing some delicious, nutritious, and super easy snack ideas that'll keep you fueled and satisfied. Let's dive in. First up, crunchy sweet potato fries. Simply slice sweet potatoes into thin strips, toss them with olive oil, sea salt, and your favorite spices like paprika or garlic powder. Bake until crispy, and you've got a tasty snack packed with vitamins and fiber. Perfect for satisfying that crunchy craving. Next, homemade guacamole with veggie sticks. Mash ripe avocados with lime juice, diced tomatoes, onion, and cilantro. Add a pinch of salt and maybe a dash of cumin or chili powder. Scoop it up with colorful veggie sticks like carrots, cucumber, and bell peppers. Yum! For something sweet, try chia pudding. Mix chia seeds with almond or coconut milk and let it sit until it thickens. Add fresh berries, mango, or a touch of cocoa powder for variety. This protein-packed treat is perfect any time of day. How about roasted chickpeas? Rinse and dry canned chickpeas, toss them in olive oil and your favorite spices, then roast until crunchy. These savory snacks are great for munching on the go and loaded with protein and fiber. Feeling like an energy boost? Whip up some no-bake energy balls. Combine rolled oats, nut or seed butter, a sweetener like maple syrup, and mix-ins like cacao nibs or dried fruit. Roll into balls and chill. They're perfect for a quick pick-me-up. Finally, let's talk about vegan nachos. Layer gluten-free tortilla chips with vegan cheese, black beans, corn, and jalapenos. Bake until bubbly, then top with guacamole and salsa. A crowd pleaser for sure. So there you have it. Healthy, delicious, vegan, and gluten-free snacks you can enjoy anytime. Don't forget to experiment and make them your own. Happy snacking?